Hello everyone and welcome to Lotus Premier Education. My name is Amanda and I want to be your college tutor. Today I have a message for freshmen. It's the summer and we're going to be talking about where you should be right now and what you should be thinking about to set up your pathway to success. So freshmen, I know what you're thinking. You're already stressed enough about starting high school. Why am I going to start thinking about the college process just yet? Well, fun fact, 60% of the most important decisions that you make for your college journey are made before the end of freshman year. So that's right, this is the time to be really thinking intentionally about how to set your college roadmap. Now, it's still early, it's still the summer before freshman year, so what exactly should you be thinking about? Great question. You should be thinking about the best ways to spend your time this summer to set you up for success at the beginning of the year. And we can kind of divide that up into two groups, academic and extracurricular. Let's start with the academics. By now, you probably know what classes you're going to be taking this fall. It would be a great idea for you to start reading up on some of the information for those classes. Maybe try to get ahead on the first few chapters of your textbooks or the first few units if you have your syllabi already. If you work with a tutor for any of those classes, maybe meet with that tutor over the summer and start getting a little bit ahead. That way, when freshman fall begins, you're guaranteed to start off with great grades. That's going to be something that's really important as you build your high school transcript. If you start off on a positive note, it's a lot easier to maintain those great grades rather than trying to bring things up later on. So use this summer to really get ahead on any academic work that you are capable of. The second group, extracurriculars, is really important because you only have 4 years to create your narrative for college. Now is the time that you want to start laying the groundwork for that and really laying the foundation. So how do we do that, you may want to know? Well, it's pretty simple. Know what you like, know what you're passionate about, and that's a lot easier said than done. So right now is a great time to really start thinking about what you care about. If you're someone who's interested in government or politics, take a look at clubs like Model UN, Youth in Government. If you're someone who is a performer, try to find what theater organizations they have through your school or locally. There's several different ways that you can get involved, but the most important thing is getting involved early and finding things that you can build upon year to year to year as you build your college narrative. Right now, you have a little bit of time to be experimental. So now is definitely the year to figure out what you like and what you don't like. But by the end of freshman year, you want to have a few things you're doing that you're going to keep building upon and that you're not going to drop later on. So if this video is helpful, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow Lotus Premier Education for more admissions tips. Good luck, freshmen!